Good morning children, welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know our 6th chapter factors and multiples is going on, and as I have told you yesterday that today we have to start a new topic, that is prime and composite number. So let's see this topic which is given on page number 140, prime and composite number. So children, now we will start our next topic, that is prime and composite numbers. So here you can see it is given on page number 114. A number is said to be prime if it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. It means that prime numbers are that numbers which can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. For example, 7, 17, 41, or you can see here in your book also many examples are given here. So these numbers are prime numbers. Once again, prime numbers are that numbers which can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. For example, you can see here 2. 2 is coming in the table of 2 only. है ना? Or any other table, 2 is not coming. So 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 or 2, the number itself. 3 is also the same. 3 is coming in the table of itself only or 1 times. 3 ones are 3 and 3's table is there. 1 3's are 3. So these are called prime numbers. Now there is composite number. So what is composite number? All the numbers that are not prime are known as composite numbers. Clear? So 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. Now children, from here a number is said to be prime if it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. This is the definition of prime number. This you will write in your copy. And all the numbers that are not prime are known as composite number. This is the definition of composite. You will write it in your copy. Now for example, it is given list all the prime numbers between 1 and 30. So cross out the multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5 one by one. Solution is given. So you can see it is circled 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So these are the number. For example, it is given they are prime numbers. Thus the circled numbers are the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 are the prime numbers that lies between 1 and 30. It is asked that you have to tell the list all the numbers which are coming between, all the prime numbers which are coming between 1 and 30. So these are the circle digits. They are prime numbers that lies between 1 to 30, 1 and 30. And this remaining numbers, that is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 30 are composite numbers. So this circle one are prime numbers and the cross ones are composite number. Now come to page number 115. There some examples are given. Let's see it. From the above examples, we observe that 1 is only number with one factor. It is neither prime nor composite. So first is 1 is only number with one factor. It is neither prime nor composite. Second is 2 and 3 are consecutive prime numbers. Third is 3 and 5 or 5 and 7 are prime numbers with one composite number. In between are called twin prime numbers and twin primes. Fourth is when you factorize two numbers and find only one as a common factor, such numbers are called co-prime numbers or co-primes. For example, it is given 7 and 8, 5 and 9, 8 and 13. Fifth is 2 is the smallest prime number. Sixth is 4 is the smallest composite number. So children, today's homework is you have to learn the definition of prime and composite number, and you will read these examples carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.